Hello everyone, welcome to another solution video. We're going to be looking at while loop worksheet 1 question 10 where we're creating a factorial calculator. I just want you to recall that factorial is the exclamation mark mathematical operator. So if we're to do 3 factorial, it's going to multiply all the numbers starting at 3 all the way down to 1. 3 times 2 times 1, that's going to give us 6. And you can see that has a very while loop repetitive like nature, so we're going to program that here. Let's grab an input of starting values. We're going to get num is input, and we're going to do some processing and out here. So I want the total product, so let's call that a factorial of 1. And we're going to start at num, because I'm going to go downward. We're going to say, well, while our start value is greater than 0, because I'm going to 1, the very end of our loop, I'm going to subtract 1 from start at every iteration. Then we're going to go factorial is equal to the multiplication assignment of start. So I'm going to multiply start value to factorial variable on every iteration and update the factorial variable on every iteration. Then we can say print result is factorial here. So let's run our code. So if I was interested in the factorial of 3, it would give me 6. If I run it again, factorial of 10, that's going to give us a very gigantic number, which is what we've seen in our previous very early worksheet question as well, where we applied all the content. Thank you for watching and stay classy.